Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to update the software on your Apple Watch. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 100,000 subscribers, I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open your Apple Watch, then go to the settings menu. Sorry, I have to open my Apple Watch. Then go to the settings menu. And in the settings menu, you just have to tap on the general option, and in the general option, the software update is going to be the second option. And here, as you can see, there is the automatic update option, which is going to, if it is turned on, it is going to update your software automatically. But if it's turned off, then you can come here and check for updates. Right now I do not have any updates, but if there are new software updates for your Apple Watch, you will find it here. That's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Bye bye.